Hey, if you're still applying for the internships but couldn't get replies from the recruiters, hi, I'm Chandu, and in this video I'll be telling about some of the important sites where you can apply for the internships and there's a high chances of getting hired from the recruiters. So watch the video till the end and apply them. So number one is the LinkedIn. Yeah, LinkedIn is the largest professional networking platform where it is designed to connect professionals with the companies and the opportunities. Here, where the users can create their strong LinkedIn profile where they can highlight their skills, interests, accomplishments, and certifications. So, we need to build a strong LinkedIn profile in order to apply or fetch for new job opportunities. So, how do we get them? So, the headline of your profile should capture it everything. Yeah, number one is you need to upload a neat and a clear profile picture of yours. There should be no unnecessary like other pictures or any group photos. Number two is mentioning a strong headline of your profile. It should explain it everything, like why the recruiter has to select you, like what is the reason to go through your profile. So you need to explain each and everything through the headline of your profile. So check out these two, and after following the maintain a clear profile, then you can start applying for the jobs after updating all your headlines as well as bio sections, and the section as well as the interest certifications all have been completed. Then you can start applying for the job roles. After making a strong LinkedIn profile, then head over to the search box and start applying for the jobs. So here, if you are searching for any content writing or video editing jobs, then you can search for content writing. Then here they will be asking the experience level. It would be obviously entry level as well as searching for the internships. And here you can, if you want to work from home, just click on the remote and then click on search. Then it would give you some results based on the content writing who has recently posted, who recruiters has recently posted the content writing job roles. So you can directly apply from here. But we have seen these, like many of us will be posting like this, but we couldn't get more replies from the recruiters. So once go through the job role, like what explains the application or what is the job about. And if you could get any profile like HR managers or any job poster who posted the job, their profile, you can directly message them, uh, like send them a request note, like request note stating that I am interested in this profile and I am interested in this job role, and this is my resume. If you could give me this, there could be a good opportunity waiting for me. Like send him a small request message so that there will be a high chances of getting hired. Though you apply from here, they couldn't, you do not know whether they will reply or not. So if you could message them with a request, they they may give you an reply, like the job openings have been closed, and he may suggest you some another role. So you need to message them in order to get a higher replies. So after though you have tried with this but couldn't get no more replies, and the best alternative is Internshala. See, Internshala is also the best platform where different college students, college graduates, as well as the professionals work. Like you can search for the part-time roles as well as full-time job roles. Like there are multiple number of roles. Like if you are interested in doing video editing or social media marketing, social media agency, or content writing or video editing, many ample number of music, like anything, you can find everything as an internship or full-time roles. So before applying for the job roles, make sure you need to maintain a good profile in this as well. Like in this there will be mainly two important steps. Like number one is you need to be a Internshala verified candidate, so that there are higher chances you will be getting the replies from the recruiters. There are many levels like level 1, 2, 3 up to level 7 and master level, where there are some basic questions you need to answer, so that you will be getting a Internshala verified candidate. After getting a Internshala verified candidate, you need to make sure you need to add your preferences, as well as you need to edit your resume. Like you need to give the education qualifications where you have studied and where you have been working. The next, you have to add your work experiences. Like if you have worked anywhere before, or you are new to this, then you can just leave it over there. And the position of responsibilities, like here you need to add what you have been doing, like what are your skills, like what you want to do through this portal, like why you should get hired. You need to add some responsibilities, so that there will be a chance to the recruiter to give you an opportunity. Then there are training and courses. If you have done any previous courses, like if you want to get hired for the search engine optimization roles or into video editing roles, then you need to do a relevant certifications related to that. If you have done nothing, you can just leave it there, or you can do a relevant certificate and add it to them. It could be a plus point if you do so. Then the academics as well as the personal projects, you need to have a mandatory project, so that the recruiter will know that the candidate can have capacity to do the projects, so that he can handle the projects given by us. So you need to have a minimum projects, like 1 or 2 minimum projects to showcase there. And the skills, what are the skills that you want to showcase on this portal, like through this portal what job roles are you interested in applying for. You need to select the skills, as well as the portfolio work samples. Like if you have done any projects, or you have any separate portfolio website, you need to give the link for that. Accomplishment and additional details are where you have participated in any events, or you have any extracurricular activities. Then you need to mention each and everything. The profile should be very neat and up to date, so that if you are applying for any new job roles, the recruiter will see the each and everything in your profile. So these are two mandatory points, making sure that you are a certified Internshala certificate student. And number two is making sure your resume is up to date. So if these two were up to date, then you can start applying for the internships. Just get over to the top locations, like internships top locations. If you work from home, select on work from home. Then you can search, like if you are interested in video editing, search for video editing. Then there are multiple number of companies posting, like few hours back they have posted for video editing skills. Like you need to view the details for each and everything, like what are the requirements, what are the day-to-day jobs you need to do after selecting. So you need to read the description of each and every project, and there is a particular duration for each and everything. Like if you want to work for 1 month, then you can just do apply for this. Like if you want to work for more than 1 month, then you can search here and you can apply here, so that if you apply them, uh, the recruiter can see the updated resume, so that he can give you the chance. So this could be a best chance that the recruiter will give you an opportunity to showcase your skills. So make sure your profile is up to date, so that the recruiter can reach out to you as soon as possible. So these are some two sites which can help you get an internship opportunities as well as full-time opportunities. So make sure to utilize these opportunities. So if you found this video helpful, just share it with your friends and just subscribe to the channel, and see you all in the next video. Bye bye.